Welcome back to Something Talk 1. In today's video, we're diving into explainable AI, or XAI. As AI systems become more prevalent in our lives, it's crucial to understand how they make decisions. Let's explore the importance of transparency and the benefits of making AI decisions more understandable. What is explainable AI, XAI? Explainable AI, or XAI, refers to techniques and methods that make the decisions and behavior of AI systems more transparent and understandable to humans. Unlike traditional, black box, AI models, where the decision-making process is hidden, XAI aims to provide clear explanations of how AI systems arrive at their conclusions. Why is explainability important? Explainability is important for several reasons. First, it builds trust. When users understand how an AI system makes decisions, they are more likely to trust and use it. Second, it ensures accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, understanding its decision-making process helps identify and correct the error. Third, it promotes fairness. By making AI decisions transparent, we can identify and mitigate biases, ensuring that the AI system treats all users fairly. Benefits of explainable AI. There are numerous benefits to implementing XAI. It improves user experience by providing clear and understandable explanations for AI decisions. It enhances regulatory compliance, as many industries require transparency in AI decision-making. It also fosters innovation by allowing researchers and developers to understand and improve AI models more effectively. Applications of explainable AI. XAI is being used in various fields. In healthcare, it helps doctors understand AI-driven diagnoses and treatment recommendations. In finance, it provides insights into AI-driven credit scoring and fraud detection. In legal systems, it ensures transparency in AI-driven decisions related to sentencing and parole. Challenges and future directions. Despite its benefits, implementing XAI comes with challenges. Balancing explainability with model accuracy can be difficult, as more complex models often provide more accurate results but are harder to explain. Additionally, developing standardized methods for explainability across different AI systems remains a challenge. However, ongoing research and advancements in XAI are paving the way for more transparent and trustworthy AI systems. Conclusion. In conclusion, explainable AI is crucial for building trust, ensuring accountability, and promoting fairness in AI systems. As AI continues to evolve and integrate into our lives, the importance of transparency and understanding cannot be overstated. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel name for more exciting content. See you next time.